And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the hate. Why they talking on my life like I won't make it? I'm too busy counting cheese while I'm getting faded. I won't say a word and these niggas still gon' hate me. And I ain't going to no club unless they tryna pay me.
Oh man, what it do, YouTube? What it do, my boys? It has been a while since I've dropped a new video on my truck, but I'm finally ready. Mainly because, I don't know, I ain't really been feeling like, I don't know. This YouTube stuff is hard. It's hard to work on cars and record at the same time and like put out good content. So it's like, for me, it's just super difficult, you feel me? I appreciate all the ones that still been showing love, liking, subscribing. I'm really not about to do too much more talking, but I do have to ask you guys a couple questions. And could y'all do me a favor? Could y'all at least smash the like button? Stay for the whole video. I think it's kind of informative. If I brought on new vehicles, because I also do swaps on the side as like a little side business. If I would bring on new vehicles, and would y'all like to see stuff like that? Like right now, I got a 82, no, it's not 82. I got a 92 Camaro IROC, and I am LS. I built the LS1 for it a while back, and I'm about to swap into here and figure out all how to do that. If y'all want to know how to do that, let me know in the comments what more y'all would want to see, because right now for my truck, I'm getting it prepped and ready so I can go to LS Fest later on. LS Fest, I think East in Kentucky later on this next month. I'm trying to get it prepped and ready for that. So with that being said, I'm about to get straight to work. I have a lot of parts, kinda, but I got one main thing I want to do today. Let's just get straight to work. You feel me? Let's just get straight to work, man. I really need to get accomplished. I need to get this. So I bought this trans cooler. It's a Durrell trans cooler with a fan. And I was gonna mount it up front, but I'm thinking I'm gonna mount it underneath the car so I can eliminate as much like trans cooler lines as possible. I wanna keep it simple, you know, and straightforward. Before we get to that, doing all that fun stuff, I can show y'all. I was having an issue with the shift linkage. It wouldn't go in gear correctly, like it wouldn't go in all the gears. And I was trying to figure it out, and I got on some Facebook forums, and they had told me that you can adjust the shift rod, and then it'll make it to where it'll line up and go into all the gears. So this is a little bit of knowledge I'm gonna pass to you guys. If you guys don't know, I'm using a 4060. You know, 700 R4 is the same as the 4060. So 4080, I think, is a little bit different. You might have to cut and bend like that little rod, but for a 4060, this is pretty much all you have to do. I only got one hole drilled and riveted. Realized I ain't got no bolts, so before I get too far along, I'm about to head to Ace Hardware real quick, pick up some bolts. So y'all about to tag along with me. I just picked this up not too long ago. It's 2008 GMC Denali, sitting on them tangs. You feel me? But yeah, it's a new work truck. I was riding in this. You feel me? Now we riding like this. You know, never be afraid to treat yourself and upgrade, man. It's always worth it. You know, I'll show y'all everything, but we about to hop up in here. Hop in here, head to Ace Hardware real quick. I might head to O'Reilly's, pick up some more parts. I don't know. Yeah, it's my new truck, man. Probably gonna end up probably gonna end up doing a cam swap, cam lifters, oil pump. Might have to end up pull the motor because I'm gonna have to change the torque converter as well. Cause you know some of them truck cams say you ain't gotta change the torque converter, but I'm pretty sure you gotta change the torque converter. But I'm gonna try to find one that I ain't gotta change one on and then call it, you know, if I could just do a cam and lifters and leave the motor in, that'd be perfect. Do springs as well. But yeah, I like this truck. It's definitely, I feel like it fit me, you know what I'm saying? It's got a 6.2 in it, big motor in it, so I'm gonna be able to pull whatever I need to. But let's cut all this yapping. Let's head to Ace Hardware and let's, you know what I'm saying? Let's get this car done, man. Now I'm trying to get these dang AN lines assembled for my trans cooler. I'm not gonna really show you guys how to assemble AN lines because there's a lot of videos out there that can probably explain a little bit better than me, but I'm just trying to get this done because boy, I've been thinking, I'm like, dang, LS Fest is in a month. And my car not even running. So I gotta hurry up. So I gotta put y'all on a quick little time lapse. Try to knock this out. These little fancy, these fancy fittings are like drawbrake fittings. So like when you push and pull them apart, I don't know if the camera gonna focus in, I don't know. But as you see, when I take everything apart, you know, if I gotta like change out the cooler or change the lines, I gotta bust a line, or got, you know what I'm saying, remove the trans or something, I got these to where pretty much it's never gonna leak. The fluid's gonna stay in because I don't know if y'all know about like hydraulic hoses and stuff, but it's like one of those. Yeah, you just push down and twist. That's how it works. So fittings are not cheap. These fittings for 2 of these were like $130. So it's not cheap at all, but the thing is you're gonna need a lot more other fittings to just make these work. But at least it's gonna make servicing anything a little bit cleaner, you know. I hate trans fluid getting on the floor and all of that type of stuff. So if y'all wanna get these, there go to part number right here. Go and grab you some before they all sold out. Doubt they get sold out, but I got one line complete. Now I have to make another one and then 2 more. I'll turn y'all back on when I got all that finished. All right, we finally got that installed. I got some new parts that came in from, well, they ain't come in. I went to LMC and I got me some replacement side view mirrors. Get rid of these ugly, bulky things. I always hated them. Y'all already know, y'all should know which ones I already got, but better crack them open real quick as soon as I find me a knife. Watch out, forget where that knife is. As soon as I need to open up the other side. What side is this? Ooh. 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 Look how that thing looking. And I grabbed the right side. But yeah, we about to replace these sport mirrors for 454 SS sport mirrors. Get y'all the part number right there. About to place them real quick. Get these slapped on there. Yeah, I like this. It's gonna be a good little upgrade. So from all the videos I've seen, it looks pretty straightforward. I don't even think I watched one video. I take this out. There's a little plastic little piece right there. Look like this. Y'all pop that out. Take this off. Sheesh, that didn't sound good. Really ain't gotta take this off. You gotta pop. See, technically really ain't gotta take this off. It slides straight off. Take this foam right here off. I do not remember what size it is. It's 7/16 or it's 11 millimeter. They send you extra little nuts to come with it, cause just in case, I guess if you drop it up in there. Cut y'all back on when I got this thing up in here. I already can tell there's gonna be some weird stuff. So just give me one momentito. So we got the old off, as you can see. You know, it's nice and big, you can see everything, but it's just hard to, you can't turn it up and down. So it's like, who cares? Also going for style. Don't really care about looking out the back. Ain't no need to see no Mustang owners in the back, bro. I'm trying to look good. But I'm gonna let y'all know right now on the installation, bro, or taking it off, it's not that hard. It's not hard at all. But this boat is a pain. It's one of the ones that I see why they send you. I see that why they send you new nuts, because boy, unless you got small hands. So if you're a small hand dude, that one right there should be an easy one to get to. See me, I got them nice big hands. Ooh, I look faster already. It's the real reason why I'm doing this upgrade. I heard this make your car faster. So I do anything to be more aerodynamic. You feel me? Check me out. Me and my homeboy Charles, we came up with something these called magic fingers. Only a select few got that. This thing ain't playing with me, bro. This is definitely not how the video went. The video I watched definitely did not go like this. Let me try to finesse something and get that one right there. Even though that's the hard one. Y'all know how it be when you try not to mess up or drop something. Ooh, there it is. It sucks because the washer on there, it spins. So it's like, you think you spinning a nut. Nah, boy. You shooting blanks, Gaggy. Shooting blanks. We're gonna take a quick intermission. But nah, boy, y'all gonna have to see this. Look at that big, boy, I don't know what that is. But he about to die. I can tell you that much. I ain't about to play with you. He might have had it garage. Bro, where the heck he go? Oh, boy, that big. Too big. Something more heavy duty. Kill that.